Once upon a time, in a peaceful land of green forests and sparkling rivers, Pocahontas roamed freely, listening to the whispers of the wind and the songs of the trees. She loved the animals and spoke to them as friends. But one day, the gentle breeze turned sharp and cold. Snowflakes swirled through the air, covering the land in a thick, white blanket. The animals shivered, and the rivers froze. Pocahontas knew something was wrong. This was not the usual winter snow. The blizzard was fierce, and the trees bent under its weight. She called upon Grandmother Willow, the wise old tree, for guidance. "This storm is not from nature alone," Grandmother Willow said softly. "You must seek the one who understands the power of ice and snow. Travel north, my child." With her raccoon friend Meeko and the brave hummingbird Flit by her side, Pocahontas followed the icy wind. After many days, she reached a land of glistening mountains and frozen lakes. There, she saw a magnificent ice castle. Snowflakes danced in the air like silver stars. Inside the castle was Elsa, the Snow Queen. Elsa's eyes sparkled with kindness, though a deep worry clouded her heart. She welcomed Pocahontas and listened to her tale of the fierce blizzard. "I feel the storm too," Elsa said, her voice gentle. "But it is not of my making. Something is stirring the winds. We must find its source together." The two brave women set out across the frozen land. Elsa used her magic to create icy bridges and protect them from the harsh wind. Pocahontas, with her spirit of adventure, followed the whispers of the trees and the tracks of the animals. At last, they came upon a great, swirling storm in the heart of the mountains. A bitter wind spirit named Frostveil had awoken, angry and restless. He roared like a wild beast, his icy breath freezing everything in sight. "Why do you bring such a storm?" Elsa asked, stepping forward fearlessly. "I was forgotten," Frostveil growled. "Long ago, I brought winter's chill to the world, but the warmth of joy and laughter pushed me away. I am nothing without my storm." Pocahontas approached, her voice calm and kind. "But winter is not meant to be feared. It brings beauty and rest. The snowflakes sparkle like stars, and the ice glimmers like crystal. You are still a part of nature's dance." Elsa nodded, holding out her hand. "Together, we can bring balance. Let the snow fall gently, and let the rivers flow once more." Frostveil paused, the storm around him slowing. He saw the beauty of the snow-covered trees and the joy in the animals playing in the soft snow. His anger melted like ice beneath the sun. With a sigh, he softened the wind, and the blizzard ceased. The land was peaceful once more. Elsa and Pocahontas smiled at each other, knowing they had restored nature's balance. "Thank you for your courage and kindness," Elsa said. "And thank you for your strength and friendship," Pocahontas replied. Hand in hand, they returned to their homes, knowing that they would always stand together when nature called. And so, the land thrived once more, with snowflakes that danced and rivers that sang. The spirit of Frostveil remained, but now as a gentle breeze that whispered through the trees, reminding all of the harmony that could be found when hearts joined together.